Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your EA account from your Steam account quickly and easily. First of all, make sure you are logged in to both your Steam account and your EA account. You can do this either on your browser or using the Steam app. Next, head over to the EA website. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings and navigate to the Connections or Linked Accounts section. Here you'll see all the platforms linked to your EA account, like PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, and others. Now, find the Steam option and click the Unlink button next to it. A confirmation will appear to make sure you want to remove the connection. Confirm it, and your EA account will be unlinked from Steam. After this, you'll only be able to access your EA games through Origin or the EA app, not Steam. And that's it! Unlinking your EA account from Steam is simple and only takes a few clicks. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips.